Well, now to those wildfires raging in the West. Evacuations underway in Arizona amid the state's spike in coronavirus cases and new fires breaking out in California, destroying homes. Ginger tracking all the latest for us. Good morning, Ginger.
Good morning, Amy. We had those red flag warnings up yesterday, and boy, the winds were kicking, and you got those brush fires burning. The Walker Fire, 1,100 acres burning, 35% contained. This is where evacuations are still up this morning. At least 2 structures have been destroyed, 50 right now threatened. The Nelson Fire, also in California, that one destroyed 3 homes, heavily damaged 2 others, 95 acres. They did get that all contained. And then finally, the Bush Fire in Arizona. Remember, we showed you yesterday. It nearly doubled in size overnight, 5% contained, and there's still some evacuations there. Lots of fires that we could show you tons of pictures from, but what you need to know is that it's going to be a little less windy, but super hot. And we've already seen firefighters with those heat-related illnesses, temperatures, and dry going through the next couple of weeks.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.